Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel and my name is Nee. In this tutorial, we're going to look at the steps to install YouTube as an app on your Windows PC. And now, while it is easy to install the official YouTube app on Android, iOS, the case is different for Windows 11 PC. Google doesn't have an app for Windows users, at least not any published on the Microsoft Store. However, you can install YouTube being a progressive web app on your Windows PC, and here is how to go about it. So the first thing is to come to your Chrome browser, and you want to visit the YouTube website. Let's go to youtube.com. So we're going to allow the page to fully load so as to see the install icon. You can see right there, right within the search bar, you can see that tiny icon that says install YouTube. So just click on that and then you'll be prompted to install the app. So the app is going to be installed on our PC. You can see a prompt right here that says, would you like to pin YouTube to your taskbar? So you can just go ahead and say yes. The app is already installed on a Windows 11 PC. So subsequently, when you need to access the YouTube platform, you can always access from your taskbar directly by launching the app right here. And you can come to the search option there and just search for YouTube and you should see the app. So the process is simple and straight. That's how to install YouTube as an app on your Windows PC. I hope that's a useful one for you. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe and like the video.